Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you a very important lesson which is very helpful for spoken English. In this video we are going to learn about future perfect tense, and also in this video we will learn what is future perfect tense and how we can identify future perfect tense and what is the sentence making structure of future perfect tense. In this video we are going to learn through some examples also. If you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start this class. So first of all we are going to learn about what is future perfect tense. Okay, so future perfect tense, from this words to words you can also understand this tense is related to future tense. Okay, it is not related to present tense, it is not related to past tense, it is completely related to future tense. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn about what is future perfect tense. तो कोई कार्य भविष्य में फिक्स टाइम तक फिनिश हो चुकेगा। तो कोई भी काम, कोई भी कार्य एक फिक्स टाइम पर, एक निर्धारित टाइम पर, मुझे टाइम, हम लोगों को टाइम, एक शेड्यूल पता रहेगा कि इतना टाइम में से इतना टाइम तक ये वो काम, इतना इस मोमेंट में वो खत्म हो चुका रहेगा। ओके, सो फिक्स हो गया रहेगा, फिक्स टाइम पे, किसी निर्धारित टाइम पे वो खत्म हो चुका रहेगा काम। तो हम लोग समझेंगे कि ये जो टेंस है ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस से रिलेटेड है। इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? And let's talk about identification, how we can identify that particular sentence is related to future perfect tense or not. Okay, so in when we will see any sentence, then we have to find out this, any sentence which will be end from this words, just like चुकूंगा, चुकेंगे, चुकेगा. Okay, just like मैं खा चुकूंगा, तुम जा चुकोगे, वह आ चुकेंगे, like that. Okay, then we can understand that sentence is related to future perfect tense. Okay, and now I am going to talk about our structure, sentence making structure, which is also very important. So this is our sentence making structure. We have to use first subject, and after then we have to use shall or will. You cannot use both, you have to use only one. Shall, you can use shall, otherwise you can use will, and it will be changed according to our subject. Okay, so let me tell you, first person you can use only shall, with first person. Okay, when subject will be related to first person, and remaining के साथ हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे बच्चों? will भी लगाएंगे, will भी नहीं, यहाँ तो be नहीं लगेगा, यहाँ have लगेगा, तो हम लोग will लगाएंगे। तो बेसिकली I और V के साथ हम लोग सिर्फ shall लगाते हैं, बाद बाकी के साथ will लगाते हैं। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू शुड कीप रिमेंबर। यहाँ पे मैं लिख भी देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, देन यू कैन इजीली रिमेंबर। नॉट I और V के साथ हमेशा सेल का यूज होता है। इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो आई और बी के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज होता है? हमेशा सेल का यूज होता है, बाद बाकी के साथ विल का होता है। ओके, रिमेनिंग के साथ, बाद बाकी के साथ हम लोग विल का प्रयोग करते हैं, रिमेनिंग के साथ क्या करते हैं? विल का। सो as you know, in English grammar we have three persons, first person, second person and third person, and as well as in English grammar we have two numbers also, singular number and plural number. Singular number means ekvachan and plural number means bahuvachan. So first person, so this is our first person, FIRST. This is our first person, this is second person, and this is third person. Is it clear student? So first person singular section and plural section, we have first person in singular section I and in plural section we, and second person you, it will be both side singular and plural section, both side have you. Okay, and in third person singular section we have he, she, it or Ram, and in third person in plural section we have they, the boys, which is plural. Okay, so how we can make a new sentence from according to this table? So first person, I'm going to make a sentence, and it will be, I am going to make a sentence, and I will make a sentence with the use of this structure, which is very important. I will take help from this structure. So just like how we can make a sentence. So I के साथ हम लोग क्या लगाते हैं बच्चों, shall लगाते हैं. तो I shall have, I shall have and eat. हम लोगों को उसके बाद क्या लगाना है बच्चों, वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना है. वी शुड यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. तो आई शैल हैव वी शुड ऑलवेज यूज हैव बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, तो आई शैल हैव एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू यूज वर्ब. ओके, सो वर्ब खाना मीन्स ईट. तो वी हैव वर्ब ईट. तो ईट का क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, ईट का वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म हो जाएगा ईटेन. तो आई शैल हैव ईटेन. And we have another we have to make another sentence also which is related to plural section. So how we can make a new sentence? So we shall have eaten. We shall have eaten. Don't forget to put full stop because it is very important. Full stop means that particular sentence has finished here. Okay, so now I am going to talk about second person, which is also very important. Basically all are important. So second person, how we can make a new sentence? तो यू, मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि सिर्फ फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई और वी के साथ हम लोग शैल का प्रयोग करते हैं और बाद बाकी के साथ हमेशा हम लोग विल का प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके, तो वी शुड यूज विल. तो you will have eaten full stop. So you will have eaten verb का थर्ड फॉर्म है, and in plural section it will be also same. तो you will have eaten, full stop. And now let's talk about third person. Okay, तो third person how we can make a new sentence? तो we can make this way. इसके साथ हम लोग लगाएंगे will का, will have eaten, full stop. So we can make different type of sentence here. So first sentence will be he will have eaten. Another sentence will be she will have eaten, and another sentence will be it will have eaten, and another sentence will be Ram will have eaten. Okay, so basically what is this? Ram is noun. It is name of people, name of person, and दुनिया में जितना भी नाम होता है that is called noun. Noun is a naming word. Okay, and he, it is used for male gender पुरुष जाति के लिए, and she, it is used for female gender, and it is used for non living things, and it is noun, it is name of person, people. And now I am going to talk about plural section, third person plural section. So how we can make a fresh new sentence? So we should use always will. So will have eaten, full stop. Let's break down this sentence, and we can make two sentences. So our first sentence will be they will have eaten. Okay, it will be our first sentence. They will have eaten, and I use here will have because सिर्फ हम लोग फर्स्ट पर्सन में shall का प्रयोग करते हैं, बाद बाकी के साथ will का प्रयोग करते हैं. छोटी छोटी बातें ऑलवेज आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. You should always remember little things. It is very helpful if you really want to learn spoken English and if you really want to improve your spoken English. So here we can make a different another sentence also, that will be the boys will have eaten. Okay, and I use here will because it is related to third person plural number, and after that verb ka third verb. And here we have to another sentence also, and let's talk about this sentence. So our first sentence is मैं खेल चुकूंगा. How we can speak in English? मैं खेल चुकूंगा. मैं खेल चुकूंगा. I shall have. प्ले मीन्स खेलना, तो प्ले का played. PLA हुआ प्ले. प्ले इट इज आवर वर्ब. प्ले मीन्स खेलना होता है, तो प्ले का ये प्लेड हो जाएगा. आई शैल हैव प्लेड. यहाँ पे मैं शैल का प्रयोग इसलिए किया हूँ क्योंकि ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट है आई और ये हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन में है, तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में हमेशा शैल का प्रयोग किया जाता है. एंड वी हैव अनदर सेंटेंस राम लिख चुकेगा. हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? तो राम लिख चुकेगा. तो राम लिख चुकेगा. राम विल हैव. लिखना, दिस इज आवर वर्ब लिखना. ओके, तो लिखना का इंग्लिश में क्या हो जाता है बच्चों? राइट. WRITE राइट. राइट मीन्स लिखना. राइट रोट वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म हम लोगों को लगाना है, तो राइट रोट रिटन. तो राम विल हैव रिटन. फुल स्टॉप. Okay, you can write down on your notebook. So students, now I'm going to finish this class and I hope you really enjoy this video and you have learned lots of things from this video. And if you really found out this video is very helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can share this video among your friends, family members and your colleagues. And if you really want to connect with me, if you really want to join with me, then please then you can follow my all the social media handles and you can get latest information, latest updates also related to my YouTube channel and educational updates. And thanks for watching this video. Take care, wish you all the best and be happy.